the external world wants us to believe that wholeness exists outside of us, and in all reality, it exists right here. And I feel emotional just saying that, because that's something that I continue to learn myself, and that's something that I continue to remember myself, because it's like an ongoing journey, right? Like, the wholeness that we're seeking is always inside of our hearts. And the more that we can tap into that and believe that, maybe the more abundant our world can be. Like, and I'm not saying like don't buy anything nice for yourself, like don't go out to eat. I'm not saying any of those things. I think we should live and do the things that make us feel free and fulfill us, and not just fulfill us as I'm talking about wholeness, but like help us to enjoy life, you know? I'm not saying don't ever do anything superficial. I'm just saying do whatever you want, but remember where the wholeness comes from. It comes right here. And the more that we nurture and love ourselves, I want to believe that maybe the more abundant our world can become. Because when we're living our lives through this, through our hearts, and through this wholeness that we already feel for ourselves, it's like maybe we're showing the universe that it's like we already are worthy, right? We already are worthy of everything that we desire when all of our intentions come from our heart. You don't need anyone else to fulfill you. You don't need anyone else to tell you that you're worthy. You don't need anyone else to tell you what you deserve or don't deserve. When you live life through your heart and through the intentions that come from your heart and from this belief that you're already whole, maybe that's where more stillness comes in.